Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're watching current time, it's been a minute since I made a video, so got to get out here and get some ribs on this thing so I can kind of retrieve myself a little bit. So got some rack of ribs, baby back ribs, and we're gonna season them up. We're going all Malcolm Reed today. We got some the barbecue rub we're gonna put on here, and we're gonna finish this off with some the barbecue glaze or whatever it's called, the barbecue sauce, whatever it is. So guys, let me show you what we're doing. Marvelous. Look at that sexy chunk of meat right there. Hey guys, this is about a little over a 3-pound rack of baby back ribs. Membrane come off nicely. I'm gonna hit this up with just as a little binder, just some yellow mustard. Get a little binder on here. Won't add much flavor. It'll sure help that rub stick to this. Flip her over, hit her again. And as our only rub we're going to put on this today, I'm kind of going for a little sweeter flavor on these ribs. That's kind of what I'm going for. And this is certainly going to do the trick along with that barbecue sauce a little later on. Brand new bottle, should be nice. Don't be afraid to throw some rub on this, guys. This meat can handle it. Flip her over, do the same thing. Be sure to get your ends and your sides. Guys, we'll finish this up. Go outside and get the grill finished off, brought up the tent. We're gonna get this on there. Let her go, get her going. Due to time, I'm gonna rush this a little bit. I'd normally let this go a little bit further, but I'm getting some good white ash on the top layer of charcoal. So I'm just gonna get this on in here. I'm sure we're lit now. Get this grill up the tent. This old prime 6 charcoal is going to take off, so I'm not even worried about it. Get on here. Let this wrap come up the tent. I guess. We've had some delays. That's okay. We're gonna get this on here. We may have to speed this thing up in a while, but for now, I'm gonna get in here and get some good smoke on here at a low and slow pace. We might speed it up after we wrap it, but for now, I want to get in here and get some smoke on here. Hey guys, this is one giant piece of cherry wood. I'm gonna stick right there. Get some smoke rolling on this thing. Notice I put the vents on the opposite side of the fire. That way the smoke can roll over on the meat and then out the vent. If you didn't already know that. All right, everybody. It's our first look at this. Ooh, get some ash going. It's looking pretty good. Starting to form a little bark there. I'm not going to do really, I'm not even going to turn this. It's the thicker in here, closer to the heat. I'm going to spray this with a little apple juice and leave it alone. We are, I don't know, just over an hour into this. My sprayer's starting to mess up on me. I've abused it enough. Alright, guys, that's all I'm going to do here. I'm going to come over here and take care of a little fire management. Just knock some ashes off. Charcoal looks fine. I'm going to throw a little bit more wood on there. We'll check back in another hour, and we'll probably wrap it, to be quite honest with you. We'll take a look at it. Alright guys, would you look at this? I've pushed this out as far as I can. We're about 2.5 hours in, and I'm going to wrap this just because I need to start getting this tendered up. Well, this was nice while it lasted. Hey guys, I got basically a stick of butter. You've seen this before. Just gonna pat this out. Several pats down here. Let everything fall in love here in a couple minutes. Get it all on there. Don't have to be real pretty. Then I got some of this Gillaholics V barbecue sauce. We're just gonna lay it right down here on there. I know you've seen this before. I've done it before. It gets some amazing flavor while that's getting all tendered up. I'm gonna come in with these ribs, meat side down. And we're just going to double wrap it, guys. Nice and tight. We'll get this right back on the grill. We're gonna let this go at least an hour, or as long as I can get away with it. And we'll check back and see where we're at in an hour, or hour and a half, maybe. If I can get away with an hour and a half, we're going an hour and a half. Alright guys, let's see what we got here. What can you see? We do got some pullback. That fire is still hot. I did add some more charcoal when you were not looking, so I apologize for not showing you that. But we're a total of about 4 hours in. We're at 200 degrees. I'm gonna pull this and start glazing. 204, 205. I'm really just checking for tenderness more than the temperature. But I think we're there. This has not been a perfect cook, but I've ultimately been happy with it. It smells amazing. I'm ready to dig in right now, guys. Let me pull this off of here, get her on the grill, and hopefully I don't make too big of a mess. Let me pull this off. It is beautiful, I gotta say. Get this over here. gonna put this on, leave this on here off just for a little bit. I'm gonna try to let that bark reset just a little bit. I'm gonna come out here, we're gonna glaze this thing here in a couple minutes and go inside and get us a taste test. Check back here in just a few. Alright guys, let's go and finish this thing off. It looks beautiful, it smells beautiful. I'm gonna pour some of this The barbecue sauce from Gillaholics barbecue. Shout out to Malcolm, never disappoints. Glad to see that his brand has made it to the stores. That's pretty exciting. Well deserved, because it's an outstanding brand. I'm gonna do this at least one more time. Let everything set on here. I'm gonna go inside, we're gonna cut this up and get a taste. I will see you inside. Alright guys, check this out. This is only about a 4-hour cook. I wish I'd had a little bit longer, but I'll call it poor planning on my part. I did get a couple hours of a good low and slow smoke, and then once I wrapped it, about 2.5 hours actually. Once I wrapped it, I jumped up the heat a little bit just to try to get it done because I was running out of time. Got a little pullback here. We did get up to temp around 195 to 205 depending on where I'm probing. So guys, let me cut this up and just see what we got. It smells delicious. Definitely hot. Ooh, don't make a mess. Let's see what we got here. That looks good right there. There's a hint of a smoke ring, not a lot. I could certainly smell smoke, so I know we got some smoke in there. But if I could have gone a little bit longer on the smoke, I think that would have helped. But very juicy. Oh my God, that is so juicy. Let me get Mama fed, we'll come back and I'm gonna taste this one right here just for you. Good. All right. All right guys. I've already got an official "it's good for Mama" from behind the camera. Look there. There's definitely, I get this angle over here in the light. I don't have the best lighting in this kitchen, but I can definitely see a little bit of a smoke ring there. Let's go, guys, let's get a bite. I don't think it's gonna pull off real good, but we'll see how it goes. No, I didn't think it would. That's so delicious. Oh my God. That The barbecue sauce from Gillaholics barbecue. That is so good. I don't want to take away from the seasoning either. Them two together, some of my favorite ribs. Tell you what, every time. That's pulling up pretty good. All right, guys. That is. I'm gonna overeat tonight. I'm afraid to say. I'll try to keep it under control, but I'm making no promises. Whew. Cheers to you guys. Tell you what. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I haven't made a video in a few weeks. I apologize and don't apologize all at the same time. I kind of need a bit of a break. Been a little overwhelming in some areas of my life here lately. So this is a nice little break. We're back. We're gonna put out a video every chance we can. I can't guarantee every week right now, but we're gonna put out a video every chance we can, and we'll just go from there. So guys, thank you as always, guys, and I'll just see you on the next video, guys. God bless you. Bye bye.